Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little haul that I did over at Brave's Diva polish. I needed more black and white for water marbling, stamping, and for just one coat wonders. So the first one is Shut Out, the beautiful white cream, and the second comb is on the black. There we go. So those are those two. And she had some polishes that I didn't own, and I am a huge fan of Brave's Diva polish. I'm just huge fan of her polishes. They water marble, most of them stamp. They're just great. And so I had to go and see what I didn't already own that was in stock. This polish here is a special one, and it's called Angels Among Us. And this one is being sold, and half of the proceeds are being sent to hospice. It's a very special polish. Anybody that's ever had any dealings with hospice knows what angels they can be, and they are, and they really make a difference, not only in a patient's life, but the family's lives as well. So I'm really proud of Tara for doing this. I had to have this one, even if I just got my black and white, and this one had to have it. The next one I got here is La Lacuna. It's just a beautiful lavender. And then I grabbed Throw Like a Girl. Beautiful plummy color. And then lastly I got You're Killing Me Smalls, and it's just, look at the flakies on that rascal. So I'm going to break out a swatch wheel. I'm not going to swatch the black and white. Y'all have seen me use both of these on my channel like a ton, but I will swatch these other four real quick. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to start with Angels Among Us. I'm going to do them in the order I showed them. Beautiful, beautiful. And you guys know I love me some pink polish. But it's got all these awesome glitters in it, like hollow glitters. I'm in love already. And then next we've got the La Lacuna. I don't know really what that means, but I still live it. Very nice, light. Oh, breath of fresh air. Beautiful polish. And then the next one is Throw Like a Girl. This one will be good for fall. When you want something that's kind of, you know, got some color to it, but not neon or, you know, that kind of thing. Beautiful. Okay, I'm doing a bad job on that one. And then finally, You're Killing Me Smalls. Oh, so pretty. I guess I should have put this one beside the other one so you can see the difference. I can see the difference in the bottles for sure. So there we go. I'm going to go back and do another coat of Angels Among Us. Getting a little sloppy and need to watch that. Oh, that's so pretty. That is my kind of color right there. Woo-wee. And then La Lacuna. I have trouble with that, I can already tell. Just pronouncing it. Oh, smooth as butter. I'm telling you, I love Tara's formulas. They're so good. And then Throw Like a Girl. Oh yeah, that second coat does wonders. Oh, that's so pretty. And then finally, You're Killing Me Smalls. Oh, that's so yummy. I know on camera these two look super duper similar, but they're really not. Spoken like a true nail junkie, you know what I'm saying? So there's that. I want to hold these two bottles up real quick so you can see them side by side. Let me readjust this camera some. Get it bigger. Okay, so this one is Angels Among Us, and this one is You're Killing Me Smalls. You can see that that one's got like more of an orangey pink, and that one's just more pink. pink. And this one's got holographic glitters, and this one's got like iridescent shards in it. So there you have that. So I will leave a link for a Terrace storefront down below. And you know, I paid for these. I didn't get these sent for review or anything. I love Terrace polishes and highly recommend them, especially her creams if you're wanting to, you know, water marble and you've had struggles with it. And I'm here to tell you, bestest black and white creams ever. They stamp, they water marble, and they're one coaters. Love them. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And that is it. So until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.